everybody, welcome back to the Hair Lounge. My name is Angelina and today I'm going to show you how to use a cleansing powder, also known as dry shampoo, on your hair. Stay tuned, I'll show you all about this new product. Well, I know I have talked about dry shampoo before. If you have not watched that video, click this link, it'll take you to that video. But I mentioned in that one that they also have powder type dry shampoos. This is the one that I found by Maria Nila, and it is one that you shake into your hair. It's made with rice versus potato starch, so the molecules are a lot smaller. So it absorbs your oils faster and gets rid of kind of impurities into your hair or product residue or anything that is on your hair. It is able to absorb all of that oil, so you're less shiny. It gives you a little bit more lift. So it's nice to be able to use something that is actual powder form to get rid of all the oil in your hair versus the dry shampoos. Sometimes the dry shampoos, they don't seem to absorb enough oil for people. So this one you're able to sprinkle on your hair and then rough it through your hair a little bit instead of having to actually like brush all that product through your hair. This one also is nice because it is super lightweight. So it's gonna give you volume. It roughens up or adds a little bit of texture to your hair, so it's able to hold those styles. So say if you freshly wash your hair and you wanna do like an updo to your hair, but your hair is just super, super soft, you can sprinkle this onto your scalp or through your ends, and it's gonna make your hair less slick, which is also really, really nice. Or say you went to the gym and you're kind of sweaty, but you're like, my hair isn't really necessarily dirty, but your bangs get greasy. This is also a really good product that you can use on it. So I'm gonna show you, you just twist off this cap, and it has little holes in the top of it. For the bigger applicator bottle, you just squeeze the bottle and it releases the powder into your hair. Some of them you can sprinkle in if it's a smaller bottle, but since this one's bigger, you're able to kind of squeeze the middle of the bottle. So I'm gonna show you on my hair. I want you guys to leave a comment down below if you've ever tried the powdered form of dry shampoo, and if you have, what kind have you used? This one's really nice because it's cruelty free, so it's always good to make sure you're using products that obviously are really good for our environment. It's just, you know, we do what we can to contribute to being, you know, good parts of this world. So back to the product, you're gonna section up your hair, and like I said, you're just going to squeeze this in. There we go, a little puffy cloud of product. You can see it's pretty white, but we are going to just do this all throughout my hair. See, it's kind of hard to squeeze since it's brand new. Or, like I said, you can sprinkle it on too. I have not used this yet, so it's kind of hard to squeeze because it hasn't been worked in. This will be a true test to see how good this absorbs, because we got a lot right there. But that is a-okay. So now we're gonna go on my part line, and I'm gonna just sprinkle it along my part line, and we are gonna do it kind of underneath my bangs. And honestly, the smell is super lightweight, which is nice because some of them have a super strong smell. This one has a little bit of a floral scent to it, so it's not super overpowering. And by shaking it through your hair, you're just making sure it's getting all of that oil. Okay, I'm gonna get it all off my scalp here. There we go. And I'm gonna do a little bit more on my crown area. I will suggest do not use black clothes while you're using this product because, I don't know if you guys can see this, look at my shirt. So just make sure you're maybe doing it before you get dressed or have a towel on, so that way you don't get it on your clothes. But as you can see, it adds a lot more volume back into your hair. And I do notice with this powder, sometimes with the dry shampoos that you're spraying out of the aerosol, they do apply on your hair and they're kind of wet. This one's nice because it instantly absorbs that oil. I don't really have to work it into my hair too much to kind of get rid of that oil. And surprisingly, it doesn't really leave too much white residue. As you can see right here, it seems like it did a little bit, but that's just because I overdid the powder right there. So if you ever get too much, kind of like what I did on this front section, just take your boar bristle brush and really brush it through on your scalp. Then I'm just gonna look at my hand, but you can take water just to get it, you know, off your scalp. So I'm gonna get a little bit closer. Let me see if I can turn my light so you can see. It absorbed a lot of that oil. And it kind of helps my color not look so noticeable of, you know, nice little roots and regrowth. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my blow dryer, and this is gonna just kind of fluff up my hair just a tiny bit more. And it distributes the powder kind of throughout your hair a little bit more. But as you can see, my hair was pretty greasy before and it was laying fairly flat, and now it just has a lot more volume. Let me know what you think of this product in the comments down below. Don't forget, you need to hit that subscribe button. That way you're not missing out on any of my new videos coming out. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Do it now. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about this new product, and we'll see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.